Hey everyone, welcome back to Globry Digital Innovation, where we dive into the coolest digital tools and the latest in AI technology. Today, we're diving into the most popular AI tool, Remaker AI photo editor that is currently on fire on internet. In this video, we will cover its key features and why it's better than other AI tools. Remaker AI Photo Editor is a powerful AI-powered photo editing tool that lets you transform your ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art. With just a few clicks, you can swap faces, remove background, and even change the entire style of your images. Now let's talk about its features. 1. AI-powered enhancements. Automatically improve your photos with AI-powered enhancements like image uncrop, image sharpen, and unblur image. 2. Background removal. Easily remove unwanted backgrounds from your images and videos with a single click. 3. Object removal. Remove unwanted objects from your photos with precision. 4. AI video tools. Remaker AI is also packed with video editing tools like Video Enhancer, Video Background Remover, AI Voice Clone, and more. Why you should use Remaker AI Photo Editor. Remaker AI Photo Editor is a must-have for any photo enthusiast. Save time, edit your photos quickly and efficiently. Professional quality results. Achieve stunning results without any professional editing skills. Endless creativity. Experiment with different styles and effects to create unique images. What are you waiting for? Whether you want to unleash your inner artist or just have some fun, Remaker AI is your go-to. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep creating, keep editing, and we'll see you in the next video.